Jump ball. Slashers ball. To Llanos. Block by Madrigal. Kita si Francis. Sinigurado na. 2 points. To Ampongan. Nakita ni Madrigal. Steal. Nagmamadali naman si TG. Ito si TG. 2 points. Joseph. Dire-diretso sa basket. 2 points. Morales. Easy 2.
Reserve time out.
Pag-dead ball dyan. Ampongan. Reverse shot is good. Timeout. Master copy. Main. Isa. Block. Nawan Lacson. 2 points. Romeo. Super layup. 2 points for Gromio. Bumitaw si DG. 2 points. Gromio. Grabe na naman dribble. Super layup. 2 points for Gromio. Nakakuha ni Lacson. Nag-iisa. Lacson. Easy 2. Ampongan. Bumitaw na 3. Bang! Ampongan for 3. Noel, ang ganda ng pasok ni Noel, 2 points. And the first quarter. Kay Lacson. Lacson, alip kay Llanos for 2. Rolly, libre sa 3. Bumitaw. Bang! Rolly for 3. Binigay kay Botones. Nakita si Diego Aliu for 2. Madrigal to Diego. Block by Llanos. 10 seconds to shoot. Madrigal, power move. Block by Abu. Botones pa rin lang. Nasa palpal kay Madrigal. Diego, mid-range. 2 points by Diego. Timeout, Pantong Milik.
Ano yan, post?
First shot for Abu, good.
Wow, nananet. Pa yung salamin ko. Parang impreso ah.
Ano siya?
Second shot, good pa rin. Yosef, Hexy, ang ganda naman nun. Yosef for 2. Boy Bacala, 2 points. Abu, jump shot. Lumabas, nakuha na Llanos, 2 points. 2 shots for Boogie.
Ito? Si Boogie. Ito si Boogie, oh.
Hindi, Paul si Diego.
Gromio, binigay kay Madrigal. Power move. Madrigal, 2 points.
Hindi pa.
Gusto ko lang turugin dalawang to. Nagigigil ako dito.
Llanos, 2 points.
Happy na tayo nyo?
Gromio, super layup na naman. Block by Llanos. Pero nakakuha na Dino, 2 points. De La Cruz, nice pick. Pull up. Timeout. Phantom Malik. To Llanos. To Ampongan. Bumitaw ng 3. Bang! Ampongan for 3.
Wala na.
End of second quarter. Score 30-25 in favor of Phantom Elite. Basket by Romeo. Back to Morales. To Ruel. Bumitaw ng 3. Bang! Lacson for 3. Bumitaw ng 3. Morales for 3. 3 on 3. Morales. 2 points. Timeout. Slasher copy. Morales. Back to Ampongan. Easy 2. Rolly versus Joseph. Rolly. Bumop. Joseph all the way. 2 points for Joseph. Ponga pa rin. Nakita si Lacson. Easy 2 points. Agaw ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz, nice pick. 2 points. First shot's good.
You want to reserve your substitution?
Second shot. Basket. 2 shots for Potrias.
Yan, maglaro kayo basketball.
First shot's good. Second shot. Good. Lacson, libre sa 3. Nice pick. Lacson. Lacson, 2 points. Janus, 2 points. Timeout, Slasher copy. Second shot. Good. Boogie, boogie, power move. Basket. First shot. Good. 6 seconds. Good. Tanda 3. Wala. Matagal. 1 second. Block by Gong. And the third quarter. Score 51-37 in favor of Phantom Elite. Binigay kay De La Cruz. Nice pick. Mid-range. 2 points. Sutak. Taksianus. Easy 2. May kauban pang foul. Romeo. Bumitaw na next. Hey! Romeo for 3. To Romeo. Romeo. To Francis. Easy 2. Maki. Oy, steal by Romeo. Romeo to Francis. Mid-range, 2 points. Binigay kay Rolly. Bumitaw na press.
53-49.
Second shot, Torontongan. Good. Romeo, super layup. Hindi. Binigay kay Diego. 2 points. Steal by Joseph. Joseph. Straight to the basket. 2 points.
Aras di. Venga.
Eto lang, tiro libre, back to Rolly. 2 points. Kasama pang foul.
Ampongan for 3. Bang!
4 lang ang hinahabol ng mga Kopis mo, bumitaw si Romeo. Tapos, pasok pa lang. Rebound kay Janus. Binigay pa kaya Pongan. 18-17. Nakitawin. Romeo versus Pongan. Dinadoble. To Boogie. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes. To Boogie. Libre si Janus. 2 points. To Romeo. Bumitaw ng 3. Bang! Romeo for 3.
Supply!
First shots, Romeo, super layup, binigay kay Rolly, 2 points, 3 on 1, De La Cruz to Romeo, 10 seconds, to Rolly, binigay pa kay Diego, 2 points, Boogie, good, pass is good, 1 point lead by Slasher, 3 seconds, 2, 1, score, 61-64 in favor of Slasher Coffee.